there's a spoon. There's a spoon in the bowl. Just, that bowl. Ah! Damn! Yan! There's a spoon there in the edge. Sige pa, other side. Yan! Wait lang.
Okay.
Gaganyanin mo. Sige. Push! Mariana, push! Push! More!
Parang ako yung mabibingi sa boses ni Shai.
More. More. Ayan. Sige, more.
Sige.
More, wait lang.
Okay.
May spoon na naiwan sa loob.
May spoon na naiwan sa loob.
Nasa upper side ng bowl.
Upper side
ng... Yan! Baba! Okay, on the pinaka-left side of the table. Yan naman pala. Pwede naman pala ibigay kay Muri. Yan! Very good!
So, ako nagugas talaga ako ng kamay, pero dito lang talaga. Dire-diretso na. Okay.
Mamaya.
Paano to?
One at a time!
Wag
Wag na. Sorry, yan na pala. Okay, buksan mo. Yan. What you're holding.
Okay.
Open it up. Get one, tapos pasubo isa.
Wait lang.
Durugin mo, like you crunch it with your... No, the seaweed. Lahat sila. Durugin mo sila. Sige, pwede rin naman. Lahat nila, pour it in. Lahat. Lahat talaga yan, lahat! Lahat, di ba? Yan.
What it?
You squish it with your hands. Squish it with your hands.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Subukan mo daw rin si Tanya. Pwede na yan. Subukan mo kay Tanya. Subukan daw ay sabi ng sponsor natin. Yes, okay.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.